This portable smart speaker by Amazon sports a unique spherical design and has a plastic body. It looks aesthetic and can be placed in any corner of the house. The speaker is easy to set up, weighing only 341 grams. There are controls mounted on the top of the speaker with which you can control your media and a ring LED setup that chimes when you interact with it. There are multiple connectivity options on this Echo Dot. You can connect the speaker up with the Bluetooth and listen to your music wirelessly, or connect the speaker with your Wi-Fi and stream music. This smart speaker can stream music from multiple applications like Amazon Prime Music, JioSaavn, Gaana, Hungama Music, Apple Music and Spotify. One major feature of Echo Dot 4th generation is its inbuilt Alexa support for hands-free voice access. Alexa has over 30,000 skills which can be executed completely hands-free. The speaker features a microphone off button alongside all the controls. You get an additional feature to view, hear and delete your voice recordings. Finally, the speaker incorporates smart home technology to make your home smart. With voice commands, you can control lights, ACs, TVs, geysers using smart plugs which has to be purchased separately. The device switches to low power mode automatically when it's idle to reduce energy consumption. So guys, those were the top features for Amazon Echo Dot 4th generation smart speaker, and I hope you found this video helpful.
Alexa, hello.
Hi.
Meet the next generation Echo Dot. Its brand new spherical form is designed to give you powerful bass and loud sound. So, get grooving. Alexa, play party songs. Play your favorite music from your favorite apps. Control compatible smart home devices. Alexa, turn on air conditioner. Check the weather, play bedtime stories and more. Echo Dot offers multiple layers of privacy protection. What's more, Alexa and the Echo Dot are always getting smarter by adding new features and skills.